How to start small-scale evergreen business ideas you can start today. Hello viewers, our future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we will be discussing 5 evergreen small-scale profitable business ideas that you can begin today. If you are looking for a good business idea, then you have come to the right place. Without wasting time, let us head towards our video. Let's get started. Part 1. Why start a small-scale evergreen business? Starting a small evergreen business means stability, steady income, and long-term growth. With constant demand, low entry costs, and easy scalability, these ventures are both sustainable and profitable. We're exploring 5 evergreen products perfect for small-scale production. 1. Agarbatti Incense Sticks. Eco-friendly incense with mesmerizing fragrances, built on sustainability and strong branding. Market. India's FY 2032 market is projected at $1,950.59 million with a 5.89% CAGR, plus exports over 1,000 crore INR. Semi-mechanization also boosts daily output. Production. From raw material prep and paste mixing to coating bamboo sticks, drying, fragrance dipping, quality checks, and packaging. Brands. Mangaldeep, The Aroma Factory, Cycle Pure, Darshan. 2. Mosquito Repellent Coil. Coils using natural or chemical ingredients to repel mosquitoes, designed for homes, offices, and open markets. Market. Valued at $7,124.6 million in 2024 and projected to reach $10,712.76 million by 2031, 6.00% CAGR. Asia Pacific holds 23% of global revenue, with India growing at 9.8% CAGR. Production involves processing raw materials, forming a paste, shaping coils, drying, quality checks, and packaging. Brands. Goodnight, All Out. 3. Toothpaste. High-quality oral hygiene products for homes, drugstores, and online markets. Market. The global market is $34.48 billion in 2024 and expected to hit $50.78 billion by 2029. 8.05% CAGR, with South America as the fastest growing region. Production. Mixing ingredients, fluoride, abrasives, binders, water, flavoring, testing consistency, quality inspections, and packaging. Brands. Colgate, Double Red Paste, Max Press. 4. Candle. A range of candles, scented, decorative, therapeutic, crafted with distinctive designs and an eco-friendly appeal. Market. Worth $8.37 billion in 2024, expected to grow to $12.61 billion by 2032, 5.26% CAGR. North America leads, followed by Europe. Production. Melting wax, mixing in fragrance and color, molding with a wick, solidifying, quality checks, and packaging. Brands. Sandalwood, Yankee Candle. 5. Surgical cotton. Premium, hygienic cotton for medical use in hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies. Market. Global market valued at $41.83 billion in 2023, forecasted to reach $53.64 billion by 2032, with a 2.80% CAGR. Major producers include China, India, and the USA. Production involves washing raw cotton, carding fibers, sterilizing, bleaching, compressing into sheets, and packaging under strict hygiene standards. Brands. Absorbent, Wellness. How we can help you. Launching a small-scale evergreen manufacturing venture isn't easy. It demands expertise and careful planning. That's where we step in. As industrial project consultants, we guide you in assessing project viability and making sound business decisions. Which evergreen business idea excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe for more business insights, and share with someone ready to start their entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Contact us for more details.